Chia seeds, once a staple of ancient Aztec and Mayan diets, have made a significant resurgence in contemporary health and wellness trends. These tiny, nutrient-dense seeds are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. In this article, we will explore the myriad health benefits of chia seeds, delve into the science behind their nutritional profile, and present a delicious, scientifically backed recipe that showcases these remarkable seeds. Understanding chia seeds. Chia seeds Salvia hispanica are the edible seeds of the salvia plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. They are small, oval-shaped seeds that come in various colors, including black, white, and brown. Chia seeds are renowned for their impressive nutritional content, offering a wealth of essential vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. Nutritional profile of chia seeds. Before delving into the health benefits, it's important to understand what makes chia seeds so nutritious. Here is a breakdown of their key nutritional components per 2 tablespoon 28 gram serving. Calories, approximately 140 protein, 4 grams fat, 9 grams of which 5 grams are omega-3 fatty acids. Carbohydrates, 12 grams fiber, 11 grams calcium, 18 of the daily value DV magnesium, 30 of the divide phosphorus, 27 of the divide manganese, 30 of the divide antioxidants, including quercetin, champerol, and chlorogenic acid. With this impressive nutrient profile, chia seeds offer numerous health benefits that are supported by scientific research. Health benefits of chia seeds. 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid ALA. Omega-3s are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in promoting heart health. Studies have shown that ALA may help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and improve overall heart function. 2. High fiber content. One of the standout features of chia seeds is their high fiber content. With 11 grams of fiber per serving, chia seeds can support digestive health, promote regular bowel movements, and help prevent constipation. A high-fiber diet has also been associated with lower risks of chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 3. Support for weight management. Chia seeds can be a beneficial addition to weight management diets. Their high-fiber content promotes feelings of fullness, which can help control appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. Research suggests that incorporating chia seeds into meals can lead to lower calorie consumption throughout the day. 4. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants found in chia seeds, including quercetin and chlorogenic acid, contribute to overall health and well-being. 5. Bone health. Chia seeds are an excellent source of several nutrients essential for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining bone density and strength. Studies indicate that consuming chia seeds may support bone health and help prevent osteoporosis. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber content, along with the gel-forming properties of chia seeds, can slow down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates. This may lead to more stable blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. 7. Heart health. Chia seeds have been linked to improved heart health due to their omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidant content. Studies have shown that incorporating chia seeds into the diet can lead to lower cholesterol levels, reduced inflammation, and improved blood pressure, all of which contribute to cardiovascular health. 8. Enhanced hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like consistency. This property not only helps keep the seeds hydrated but also aids in hydration for the body when consumed. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall health, supporting bodily functions, and maintaining energy levels. The best healthy recipe, chia seed pudding. Now that we have explored the health benefits of chia seeds, let's dive into a delicious, nutrient-packed recipe that highlights their versatility, chia seed pudding. This recipe is not only easy to make but is also backed by science for its health benefits. Chia seed pudding recipe ingredients: 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or any plant-based milk, 1-2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, adjust to taste, 1-2 teaspoon vanilla extract, fresh fruit such as berries, bananas, or mango for topping, optional toppings, nuts, seeds, granola, or shredded coconut. Instructions: combine ingredients. In a mixing bowl or jar, combine the chia seeds, almond milk, honey or maple syrup, and vanilla extract. Stir well to ensure the chia seeds are evenly distributed and not clumping together. Let it sit. Allow the mixture to sit for about 5 minutes, then stir again to prevent clumping. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect pudding texture. Refrigerate. Cover the bowl or jar and refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and expand, creating a thick, pudding-like consistency. Serve. Once the pudding has set, give it a good stir. Spoon the chia seed pudding into serving bowls and top with your choice of fresh fruit and any additional toppings. Enjoy! This chia seed pudding is a delicious and nutritious breakfast, snack, or dessert option. It's packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, making it a well-balanced choice. Nutritional benefits of chia seed pudding. This chia seed pudding recipe offers a concentrated dose of the health benefits associated with chia seeds. It is rich in fiber, promotes digestive health and aids in weight management. High in antioxidants, protects the body from oxidative stress. A source of healthy fats, supports heart health and brain function. Versatile, can be customized with a variety of toppings to suit your taste preferences. Conclusion: chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wide array of health benefits that support overall well-being. From promoting heart health to aiding in weight management and providing essential nutrients for bone health, these tiny seeds pack a big punch. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is simple and delicious, as demonstrated by the chia seed pudding recipe provided. So, as we look toward 2024, consider adding chia seeds to your daily routine and enjoy the benefits of this remarkable superfood. Whether you sprinkle them on salads, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them as pudding, chia seeds are a versatile and healthful addition to any diet.